Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to set up your budget categories in YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. If you're new here, YNAB is an awesome app that helps you take control of your finances by assigning every dollar a job. It's perfect for anyone feeling overwhelmed by expenses or just starting their budgeting journey. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a YNAB account. If you don't, head over to their website, sign up, and download the app. It's free for a trial period. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center for all things budgeting. Now, let's get to the fun part, setting up categories. Start by clicking on the Budget tab. Here, you'll see a list of default categories like groceries, rent, and entertainment. But YNAB is all about customization, so let's make it your own. Hit the Add Category button. It's usually a plus sign or something similar. Type in a name for your new category, like Dining Out or Emergency Fund, and hit Save. Next, assign a budgeted amount to each category. Think about your monthly income and priorities. YNAB encourages you to be realistic but intentional. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month, decide how much goes to essentials first. Don't forget to categorize your income too. Go to the Inflow section and link it up. One tip: use subcategories for more detail. Under Groceries, you could add Weekly Shopping or Snacks. This keeps things organized and helps you track spending patterns over time. YNAB also lets you set goals for each category, like saving $200 for a vacation. It's motivating. Once everything's set up, review your budget regularly. YNAB syncs with your bank accounts, so you'll get real-time updates. If you overspend in one area, it shows you where to cut back. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket. There you have it. Setting up YNAB budget categories is straightforward and can transform how you handle money. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below on your budgeting wins. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.